Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today we are here with another brand new good signal, which is going to be on EURUSD. And without any more time to waste, let's go to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on calendar, currently as you can see, the seller side is much more stronger than the buyer side, but this is only because of a small correction in 1 hour time frame, because I looked at the chart before I started recording this video. And with the overall look at this week, this currency has gotten a lot of positive points, and we are going to experience a lot of bullish news in Thursday that are going to be ahead of this price, and these news are going to pump the price to go to the upside. But as we all know, the news are not enough and we have to take a look at the chart. So let's hop on the chart and see what we have there. Okay, now as you can see, we are on EURUSD on 1 hour time frame, and I have drawn a beautiful channel for you guys here. And as you can see, this channel has supported the price to the upside for a long time, about 2 months, and today we are seeing that the price has reached the middle of the channel and is experiencing a small correction. That's why the seller side currently is much more stronger than the buyer side. But what I'm forecasting for this price and how it will react to it is that the price will come down again to the bottom of the channel, or to the half of the wave that it had created here. Let me draw it for you. So now that we are using the Fibonacci tool, as you all can see, price might come back to the 0.5 area or 0.618 area and keep going to the upside again until it touches the upper side of the channel. So our signal is going to be a buy signal, and as always, I want you to sit back and enjoy the music so I can make this prettier for you. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, I just wanted to end the video with this beautiful quote: "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." So increase your knowledge and then approach whatever the thing that you wanted to do. And as always, it's up to you when to enter the trade. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day and peace.